What's up guys, it's Pure Unboxing, back here with another unboxing today. We actually have the Blackweb 1080p dash cam with video recorder for you guys. It is a really cool device, pretty much. So starting off, I will just show you guys around the box. Everything on it really just has a lot of words. I will go over them in a second for you guys. It is pretty cool. So starting off is actually a ultra wide angle 120 degree high definition video recording at 1080p. Which is pretty good for a dash cam. Also with infrared LED light for night recording, so it will work during night and day. It does have a gravity sensor automatically built into it, which saves the video before, during, and after sudden braking or collision events for you guys. It does include a 2.7 inch LCD display and a 16 gigabyte micro SD memory card. You can put up to 32 gigabytes in there, but it does not come with it. It just comes with the 16 gigabyte SD card. It does have a windshield suction cup mount with a built-in microphone and speaker on it, and it would plug into a 12 volt normal car charger, and then it'd have a USB cord plugged into that, which would be 10.8 feet. It also does include the USB connection cable. So let's get into it and open it up. Almost comes out all in one. Alright, so we'll put this off to the side. And then starting off, this will be the car volt charger I did tell you guys about. This is what would actually plug into the dash cam right here, and this would plug into a normal 12 volt car charger for you. Here it looks like one you could actually plug into your computer so you can transfer all the data. Unless you have the SD card in there, then you could just take the SD card out and actually put it inside your computer for you. Here would be the instruction booklet. We'll get there in a second. And then here is the actual bad boy we've all been waiting for. It'll be right here for you. So here is the suction cup as well. This will be the suction cup that actually just suctions right there to your windshield. And this would actually be the camera with the display screen right here. That would show you. It is only 2.7 inches. It does seem a little small, but bigger is not always better. Going around the front, here is going to be the actual camera for you guys. This will be the camera, and these will actually be your sensors right here. This will actually help with the infrared and your the G sensor, so the gravity sensor for you guys. So when you do brake or any collision, it will record before, during, and after. And then right here on the bottom there actually are buttons. You have your power button, it looks like. It looks like there's going to be a play button there, a menu button, an OK button, and a mode button. Looks like you can change the different modes right there, which that's actually pretty cool. And it looks like it just clicks in right here for you guys. Yeah, we're just clicking like that. And then you would suction it up on your windshield, and the screen would be facing you so you could see what's recording at all times and make sure it's good for you. Let's get rid of that right there. Let's set this here as well. Going into the instruction booklet, it does seem like just a normal instruction booklet. Who really reads those anyways? No one. So pretty much that's what this is going to be for you. Right here is actually where the SD card's going to be at, and then go. It actually just pushes in and out. I just clicked it out. So there's the 16 gigabyte SD card that does come with right here. And like I said, you can put up the 32 in there. That is the max that it can hold. But other than that, we're going to get to showing you the use of it. I would recommend it if you guys do like the whole dash cam aspect of everything. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, and this is Pure Unboxing. You guys have a great day.